inside. Yes, this is the inside. Okay, so this is the hammam for the female too also, and this is the wudu with the floor drains. Yeah, floor drains. And this is the hammam. And one. Okay, this is the inside. You can see our hamakan has been fully varnished with shellac, and also this one with mahogany varnish. Okay, yeah, this is the